Hi guys, so what is this weird, strange looking puzzle that is in front of us? Well, this is Crazy Bottles. It was designed and manufactured by Jean Claude Constantin, and it was a giveaway puzzle from Manfred Ulrich at an IPP. And it's actually a physical manifestation of a mathematical set of problems. The water jug problems. You've seen them on films like Die Hard. You'll have an infinite supply of water, and you might need to have a 3-litre jug and a 5-litre jug, but somehow create 4 litres exactly. In this case, we don't have an infinite number of water, we have 22 ball bearings, and by rolling these two dice, we have to be left with 3 and 5 ball bearings at the end. Now that 3 and 5 ball bearings have to end up not in this large compartment down here, but in the two smaller ones. We have a compartment up here that holds 7 and a compartment up here that holds 12. So I could end up with 3 here, 5 there, or 3 here and 5 there. That doesn't matter. Because I've got 2 dice, you'd think, well, 6 times 6, 36 combinations. But 3 and 5 is the same as 5 and 3. So actually we've only got 21 unique challenges here. However, if I take out one of the ball bearings, then I can do the same problem with 21, 20 and 19 ball bearings. So actually there's 21 challenges, but with 4 different start points. So I've got 84 challenges here, which is absolutely fantastic, really. If I want to remove ball bearings, so kind of pour the water away, when the ball bearings are in a compartment, I can open up the bottom sections, and those ball bearings will drain away into the wells. Now this was not a mass-produced puzzle. It is a little bit janky. It is a little bit delicate. These kind of come off quite easily. It doesn't turn brilliantly. It's not a mass-produced puzzle. I will be giving this away at some point on the Discord, so I look forward to that. But let's show you how one of these challenges will work, because I think by seeing one of the challenges, you get a good idea of kind of how this plays. And seeing a challenge isn't really a spoiler either, so I'm not going to put a spoiler alert up because, well, 1, you're probably not going to remember it, and 2, it is one challenge of 84, which you could solve on pen and paper. In fact, this actually comes with the solutions, which is lucky, so I don't have to sit here and look stupid. So let's roll the dice. So just roll the dice around a little bit, and we are left with, well, 3 and 5 again. Let's just show you that it's not always 3 and 5. There's 4 and 6. But we had 3 and 5. Now if I look at my list, oh, this is a good one because this is a short one. This is like 7 moves to solve this, 3 and 5. But you could very easily end up with a problem that you have 21 different moves, so there are some difficult ones. So if I want to end up with 3 ball bearings in one section and 5 in the other, or 3 in here and 5 in there, doesn't matter which way around, we always start with 22 in the largest section. That's how we always start. So effectively I've got 0, 0, 22. So first thing I want to do, I'm going to open up this medium-sized well. I'm going to pour like this. Now I have to fill completely the section. I can't just pour in, 5 ball bearings and use a bit of dexterity. I have to completely fill that section. So that's got 12 in. So I've now got 0, 12 and 10. I'm then going to open up this smaller section and let 7 ball bearings go through. So I've now got 7, 5 and 10. The next section, I think I get to pour some away at this stage. Oh, not quite. I'm going to use these large sections to fill up the middle section again. So I've got 7, 12 and 3. So I've kind of isolated my 3 down here. I'm going to pour this 7 away. There we go, by opening it up. And this bit I don't need any help with. I'll open that section. So I've got 7, 5 and 3. And then to finish off here, I'm just going to open up the small section, pour them in. So I've ended up with 3 and 5, which is the solution for this one. And just by rolling the dice, I can get lots of different combinations, and I'll show you kind of see the solve sheet super quick. So I followed this one here, which was 3 and 5. You can see it's very short. You know, 4 and 5 would have taken me a lot longer. I think the longest one is 1 and 1, which is actually 21 moves, but I've not counted all of them. It's a really interesting, weird, bizarre looking puzzle, but it's just a physical manifestation really of a maths puzzle. It's a little bit noisy. Hopefully that wasn't too annoying, and it is a little bit janky. It wasn't mass produced, but it's something that hopefully when someone wins this, they're going to be super stoked to get this, super happy to kind of have this and show people, and it is rather kind of bizarre and unique. So really looking forward to giving this one away soon. That's all for now, but I'll speak to you very soon. I've got a very interesting kind of weird little puzzle that kind of could go with this one actually when I give it away. I'll have a think about that, but until then, see you all soon. Take care. Bye for now.